It's Sunday, February 8th, 2015, and I'm Jim Sullivan with your NeilWeather.com video forecast. It is a very cloudy day out there, but so far, no rain, and it's very mild. Temperatures sitting in the mid to even upper 40s as of 11 in the morning. There's a cold front sitting over Lake Erie. Erie, Pennsylvania sitting at 29 degrees, while Ashtabula is at 44. That front is slowly going to inch southward this afternoon. And as some energy moves along that front this afternoon and evening, some rain will eventually develop, and that'll change to a wintry mix tonight. We'll look at that more in just a moment. Taking a look across the entire country now, not a ton of action. There is a disturbance moving into California, bringing a good amount of rain to the northern part of the state today. There could even be a little bit of severe thunderstorm activity there in parts of northern and central California today. Fairly mild in the central and southern United States, east of the Rockies. However, it's very cold just to our north, and that cold weather is what is going to dominate our weather for most of the week. There are a couple of disturbances riding along that temperature gradient between the mild weather and the very cold weather, and that will bring some decent amounts of snow and some ice to parts of the interior mid-Atlantic into New England over the next few days, and that will also bring us our chance of a wintry mix tonight before we get cold to start the work week. Coming back to Cleveland, looking at the numbers, yesterday we did 45-25, well above the averages of 36 and 23. Today's records are 69 and 8 below zero. No precipitation at Hopkins yesterday. We're running a little bit above normal on the monthly and yearly precipitation. Sunset is almost 6 o'clock now, 5:52 p.m. tonight. And for the rest of today, we're going to stay pretty mild through the afternoon before we start dropping pretty quickly this evening from north to south. We've been dry so far, but as we head through the afternoon, chances for some spits of drizzle will increase, and eventually some more legitimate light rain by this evening, and then that wintry mix tonight, with temperatures dropping all the way to near 20 by tomorrow morning. Taking a look through the next day on one of our forecast computer models, this afternoon we're pretty mild. This orange line is the model 40-degree line. It's actually probably a little bit warmer than what this model is showing. The blue line, the freezing line, that stays to our north through the afternoon. As some energy moves along the frontal boundary in the area, that will spark some drizzle and light rain by late this afternoon and this evening, and then watch the freezing line sink south. 7 o'clock, this model has the lakeshore dropping below freezing. And here's where there's some concern. This next line I'm going to put on is the temperature at 5,000 feet. That freezing line is way to the north, so there's a nice window here where cold air at the surface is dropping south ahead of the cold air aloft. That could cause some freezing rain this evening. Again, mainly light precipitation this evening, but this second blue line, that is air temperatures on this model dropping below 20, while temperatures aloft are still above freezing. The freezing line aloft still over Lake Erie here at 10 o'clock, while temperatures along the lakeshore drop into the lower 20s with light freezing rain on this model. This could be a period of very slick travel tonight across our lakeshore counties, mainly after 8 o'clock. As when you get towards Mansfield, Akron, Youngstown, it'll probably take closer to midnight to drop below freezing. This is midnight, and this model shows temperatures dropping below freezing there. So I'm definitely concerned about a period of freezing rain tonight with temperatures dropping quickly, causing some slick travel. Here we are at 1 in the morning as I put the freezing line aloft on, just starting to creep inland from the lake. So this large window here between Youngstown, Canton, and Millersburg, and the lakeshore of potential freezing drizzle or light freezing rain at 1 in the morning on this model. So no winter weather advisories yet. I personally think we should see some winter weather advisories issued this afternoon, because these temperatures with this potential freezing rain tonight are going to drop well below freezing at the surface, which could cause some very slick roads to develop tonight. And as we head into Monday morning, let me fast forward to 7 a.m. Again, just some very light precipitation, but look at the surface temperatures. This is the 20-degree line at the ground on this model. Here's the freezing line aloft, still running from Mansfield to Akron to Youngstown, so our southern forecast area could still see some freezing drizzle tomorrow morning with very cold temperatures near the ground. So this could be a slick morning commute in some areas. It'll be more of a black ice issue. I don't think that the highways will be sheets of ice, but if you hit that one slick spot, it could mean trouble. So hopefully ODOT is out treating the roads tonight. As we head through tomorrow, we stay cold. Everyone will eventually change to all snow flurries. It'll just be very light, though. So very light precipitation tonight into Monday morning, but there could be a several-hour window of freezing drizzle or light freezing rain for all of us from north to south, starting along the lakeshore around 7 or 8 o'clock tonight, and then from Mansfield to Akron to Youngstown after midnight tonight, with temperatures getting cold, so that could mean some slick travel, so you're definitely going to want to plan around that tonight. Black ice can be pretty dangerous, so you might want to even just avoid travel if you can late tonight into early Monday. And quickly, here's a wider view. There are going to be some travel disruptions across parts of the Mid-Atlantic and New England over the next couple of days. You see all this precipitation moving through later today and tonight. Here's the surface freezing line in the dark blue running right near New York City. They could have some freezing rain there. Snow in Boston could add up to close to a foot, maybe even a little bit more. So if you're traveling to New York or Boston or points in between over the next 36 hours or so, plan on some delays as we head towards Tuesday. That mess starts clearing out of the Mid-Atlantic and Northeast. So hopefully if you're traveling there towards midweek, there aren't any issues. And here's our next clipper coming down for later Wednesday and Thursday for Ohio. So on your 7-day now, just some lingering light snow showers tomorrow. Could still be a little bit of freezing rain in our southeastern counties early in the day, changing to light snow. High temperatures only in the low to mid-20s. Tuesday we dry out, see some sun, still cold. And Wednesday, a little bit of snow could move in late in the day. Better chances Wednesday night and into Thursday as a potent disturbance dives down. You can see on our big picture forecast maps here Wednesday night through Thursday a well-defined kink or dip in the jet stream moving towards Ohio with very cold air moving in. So we're definitely going to get an Arctic blast Thursday, and as we head towards Friday, that's going to stick around too. And looking at a satellite shot of Lake Erie from yesterday when we get a brief break in the clouds, a good sliver of open water has opened up in the ice with some cracks in the ice elsewhere, so we will have to watch for some lake effect snow with that Arctic blast later this upcoming week. So back to the 7-day now, you can see that big plunge in temperatures on Thursday with snow showers likely, some lake effect lingering Thursday night into early Friday with overnight lows near or below zero, daytime highs in the teens. Another clipper comes our way for Saturday with another chance of snow. All right, with NeoWeather.com, I'm Jim Sullivan. Check us out again tomorrow.